In this video, we are going to discuss about local or distributed service desk. So, what is a local or distributed service desk? This desk is co-located within or physically close to user premises. That means, as we discussed that in a central service desk, there will be a central location where all the branches will be contacting the centralized service desk. Here, it is distributed between these branches also. So, each and every branch has their service desk. You can take advantage here, useful in case of multilingual and multi-location organizations. So, whenever there is a multilingual option needs to be enabled or multilingual needs to be used, so this is an advantage there. And also multi-location organizations. So, it might be depend, like if you take an example of international service desk, one is in US, one is in UK, one is in Australia and one is in India. So, it will be easy to have multi-location organizations to contact the nearby or physical service desk when physical presence is needed. So, faster response wherever physical presence is necessary. So, faster response if it is in Hyderabad, if people are calling Hyderabad service desk, the physical presence is required, then it is easy and it will be an advantage in this service desk. What are the disadvantages? They may prove expensive because it is maintained in different physical locations, so it is some cost expensive. Difficult to manage multiple desks. So, it is difficult to manage multiple service desks because the separate authorization is required for each and every issue whenever it becomes an impact to the organization. So, coming to the diagrammatic view, you can see here ABC Limited Delhi, ABC Limited Hyderabad, ABC Limited Pune and ABC Limited Bangalore. These locations have their individual service desk, so that whenever the physical presence is required or necessary, they go to the customers and provide their first level of support.